Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Umpura.
Hey, Sibo. Well done to the boys.
Yes.
Well done to the boys.
Yes, my brother.
Umbokazi udlalile namhlanje.
Yes.
Kodwa mina ngithi Sibo, ngicaba amnika ibhande. Khona lento abanayo mina nebhande.
Yeah.
Hayi kabi, hayi ukuthi sibisi samehlise ebhandeni.
Yes.
But ngicela ngiceba amnike.
UTLP.
Ngiceba amnike ibhande lihlale kuyena.
Yeah.
Kuba nalento le. Kuba nale vavavumo. Kuba nale vavavumo.
Yeah.
Thatha yonke into.
Yeah.
Kaizer ayike lamthuthu.
Yeah.
Nawe yazi.
Yeah.
Wena ngikufuna kwi-Betway wena.
Yeah.
Ngiyeza wena. Hayi ungangitshela ngeke. But wena Sibo. Alright. Wena Sibo kucoach siyabonga coach. uNkulunkulu ngathi ambusisa kwande la kuthathe khona. Sibo kunosesane ebhentsini. Kwama center back ethu kunosesane. Coach sicela abafake bandla siyayicelela. Nda siyacela bandla. Umuntu ibhola liyoze lihambe enyaweni kodwa sephumelele siyacela coach please coach. Amazwi amaningi ngiyasho ukuthi well done to the teams, well done, ngiyabonga.
Thank you Njayam. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?